Guys, today we're doing a review of these Three Farmers Roasted Fava beans, sea salt flavored, and yeah. You guys want to read the back here, nutrient panel? If you want to read that, pause the video. Fava beans and sunflower oil and sea salt. All right, let's do a quick taste test. Oh, and it's, as you can see, it's vegan. So, all right, so that's what it looks like. And if you actually go to Asian markets, they actually have something similar to this. They're actually bigger than this, which is really interesting, size-wise. Taste-wise, the ones in the Asian grocery stores are actually slightly different. So these are good. It tastes like fava beans basically, but with a slight salt. The salt is so minor on there, as you can see. So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, post, subscribe to the channel.